And then we go here and there's mini fireworks. Ta-da! Happy 2020. Oh, it won't focus. Good morning. Marcus is behind me on his phone. And I'm taking advantage of this beautiful light to film first day of 2020. Woohoo! I'm still sick. So, great start to the year. And we have a view outside and you can see all the buildings. But yes, today we're gonna go climbing. Yay! We made it to Bouldering.
Alright guys, here Grace is trying to do the straight face lemon challenge. Go!
Is all about doing new things. It's the first time I've ever done this.
That's a lie.
What? We're on the luge in Sentosa and it's really nice in the back. We're not on the luge, we're on the sky cable thing.